Come on, Simone, we got work to do on the farm.
Oh, but Ben, this woolly quilt is so warm and cosy.
Mate, the sun's shining out here and we'll see plenty of wool where we're going.
G'day, I'm Simone.
And I'm Ben, and this is our mate George the farmer. And if there's one thing we love about summer is that it's nice and hot and we don't have to rug up too much.
That's right, but we still need to wear our sun protection, don't we, George? But it's far too hot for woolly jumpers. Here at the Kidman family farm near Coonawarra in South Australia, the sheep are ready to lose their woolly jumpers so that they can feel cooler in summer too.
And you'll be amazed at the products that we can make from wool. We're about to meet another farmer called George who's going to teach us all about shearing and this amazing natural fibre. G'day, George.
Oh, guys, g'day. How you going? Oh, hi, George. I'm George. Nice to meet you. Sorry, you caught me out there, just getting a bit of practice in. Got a big game this week. Come on, let's go to the shearing shed.
Now, George, before you head off, mate, I've got a joke for you. Where do sheep get their haircut?
In the shearing shed.
The barber shop. Oh, barber shop, yeah. No.
Here, Bess.
Some sheep are bred specifically for their meat so that we can enjoy eating lamb chops on the barbie or beautiful lamb roasts. Yum.
George Kidman has merino sheep, which are grown especially for their wool.
Just like human hair, wool continues to grow, even after it has been cut. Wool grows about 6 millimetres per month, but this can vary depending on the breed, the nutrition and the environment. In other words, where the sheep lives. Sheep are shorn once a year. Some farmers will do it more than that with valuable wool cuts, but it needs to be done at least every 12 months because it protects the ewes from overheating and diseases. The shearers are very careful when they're shearing the sheep. It's just like getting a haircut. The shearer will pull the ewe out of the pen, start on the belly, the long blow up the side, down the back, round the head, all finished, comes off as one single beautiful fleece.
When the sheep start getting woolly, it's time to get our shears out. Long strokes down the belly, flip 'em, shear their bum and shout, mate, where's my next sheep? Mate, where's my next sheep? We gotta get these woolly jumbucks done before we can get some sleep.
So George, it looks like shearing's almost finished for the day. What happens to the wool once it's been shorn?
Well, straight off the sheep's back onto the table where it's processed and cleaned, then into the press, ready for baling, and about 180 kilos per bale. Then off it goes, and as we've said, the wool can be made into so many different things, beautiful clothes, blankets, carpet, the list goes on.
George, did you know that just up the road there's a factory that makes awesome woolen products? Let's continue this woolly journey and head there now.
Wow, and we thought the shearing shed had plenty of wool. The mini Jumbuck woolen mill is full of wool. Darren, the mill manager, will show us how a fleece from a sheep becomes a bedding product.
After the sheep has been shorn, the wool has to be cleaned and washed, so we've got to remove the dirt and the grease. And then we get this nice fluffy wool. We tease it open, we put it through a big machine that combs the wool, and we create these nice fluffy layers that go inside the quilt.
Darren, can we use wool products all year round or is it only in the cooler months?
Wool's a natural fibre, so yes, we can use it all year round. Wool keeps you warm when it's cool when it's warm, and dry all year round. It's good for the environment. It runs on grass, so the animal just eats grass. It doesn't need to be harmed to make a quilt, so you just have to give it a haircut once a year. And it has the ability to keep us as human beings warm and cosy and cool and dry. So yes, you can use it all year round.
We all like to wear our woolies during times when the sun's not out. The woolen fleece that's spun into yarn is comfy, warm and from the farm. Mate, where's my next sheep? Mate, where's my next sheep? We gotta get these woolly jumbucks done before we can get some sleep. Mate, where's my next sheep? Mate, where's my next sheep? We gotta get these woolly jumbucks done before we can get some sleep. Yeah.
Well, Darren, it looks like George has found his new quilt. And George, I reckon you might be ready for bed, mate. It's been a big day.
Who knew wool had so many uses? Well, thanks for joining us to learn about this sustainable natural fibre.